Hey guys, this is how to enable the sensitive content on the Telegram. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Telegram app and then log into your account. So once you are here in your Telegram, you have to just click on the search icon at the top right corner, and then you have to just search here for Nicegram bot, and then tap to open the first one, which is named as Nicegram bot. So alright, once you are here, you have to just click on the start option at the bottom, and then you will find these options here. You have to just click on I am 18 plus years old, and it will tick green. Similarly, you have to just click on show sensitive content and wait for green signal. So once you done, you have to just click OK, and then click on Nicegram login option, and then click open. So here you have to just wait for some time, like you have to just wait for 20 to 30 seconds here. So after some time you will be directly reach at this page. You have to just click on the save option at the bottom. So once you're done, you have to just click all of the windows and then reopen your Telegram, and by doing so the disabled sensitive content will be enabled on your Telegram and you will be able to watch it. I hope this video was a big help for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.